YouTube! I'm Faith.
I'm Akifa.
If you want to see more of us, stay tuned.
Alright guys, so first off, I'm just thinning out the pork chops because they were a tad bit too thick for what I wanted to make. I'm making my own version of lo mein or chow mein or whatever you want to call it. Then I washed off the thing that I pounded them with because, I mean, why not? Because that's just disgusting flavor like that. and I also ended up starting my pasta to let it cook while I was preparing the other stuff. Once again, just if somebody new is watching my videos, this is not my house. This is my mom and dad's house, so there are some parts that really need to be cleaned. And I worked last night, and so today I'm lounging, so sorry about the look, the messiness, and yes, like that wall by the garbage can really needs to be scrubbed. Really needs to be scrubbed. And I need the time to do it, so hopefully tonight I can get to it. Actually, I need the supplies to do it too. I gotta go shopping for cleaning supplies before I can really clean their house. So yes, just so you know, I wanted to say that. This is not my place, but theirs. And I am home, so don't judge how I look. I just look sloppy, and who else lounges around in their pajamas when they're not going anywhere? Tell me I'm not the only one that does that. Okay, so like right here I got a little impatient and started pushing the spaghetti noodles into the water because, y'all, I was hungry. I wanted to get this stuff done so I could eat. I was starving. So I'm, you know, patiently or impatiently, if you will, trying to push the noodles down so they'll start cooking faster. I'm not sure if it didn't probably help, but I thought it did. I felt like it did. Or I wanted it to, at least. Ah, yes, when you're hungry, the struggle is real. The struggle is real. Seeing that wall in the background really makes me want to scrub it, like right now. Maybe after I'm done editing this video, I'm gonna go clean. And maybe there'll be a cleaning video to come. Because that wall is sure bugging me. I need to clean it, like right now. Okay, so right here we are chopping the meat, and I sped up the process because nobody wants to watch all that in slow-mo or in normal time, because that's just a lot of tedious nonsense. But it's the process and work of trying to make a creation. Then I started cooking the meat and realized my noodles were done eventually, and you'll see me, my noodles weren't quite done, so then you'll see me chop up the peppers. And then I drained the noodles because they were done and put them under cold water and put oil on them. And then I eventually added the peppers to my meat and started cooking both of them together. And then it was time to mix everything together, so I put all my sauces in there. I added I'll link in the description box below what's all in there. But anyways, here's the finished touches. And for this, by all means, is not traditional. It's my take on something Chinese. I had teriyaki, soy sauce, Panda Express sauce, and Mongolian sauce, a little bit of honey, and a little bit of sugar. And voila, it's all done. Well, that's the end of my cooking video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you're new here, please hit the subscribe button, and if you click it again when the bell appears, YouTube will notify you when I upload again. See ya!